Looks like someone's ready for a cocktail.
Ship, 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 ship. All right, we have got a super fun, lemony, gingery mocktail for you all today. So if you are sober curious or just wanna maybe give up alcohol on a night or two of the week, this is gonna be a fun drink to help you lift your mood and also just tastes really yummy and is fun to sip on. So for this, you're going to need some ginger juice, a lemon, and this today we're going with 3 spirits. It is a livener, and this is just super delicious and also has caffeine and some other adaptogens in here to energize and fire up your life. So this is what we're going with today. I have some bitters optional, and this is if you want to add it, and you can have a little bit of alcohol, but obviously if you don't want any, you don't have to throw that in there, but it just makes everything a little bit more bitter. You're also going to need a scale, and if you do not have a scale, that is just fine. I will put alternative measurements in the description. To start, we're going to get our shaker. Let's open that up, and we are going to zero our scale on milliliters. Okay. And now we are going to take our 3 spirit blend and pour 50 milliliters into our shaker. All right, we got about 50 ml in there. Now we're going to take our ginger juice, and we are going to put 10 milliliters of ginger juice in here. You can go a little bit heavier or lighter depending on your ginger preferences. Next, we are going to do 20 milliliters of this lemon. It's going to make it nice and zesty for us. Perfect. Okay. And now I'm going to put in a little bit of bitters just because I'm feeling a little crazy today. Like I want a little bit of bitter in my life. So I'm going to just throw in a couple dabbles of that. But that's just going to make it a little bit more bitter, but not needed if you do not want to add that. Now we are going to add some ice to our shaker. All right, so we've got our ice, we've got all our ingredients. The other thing you can add if you're feeling a little bit sugary is a little squeeze of honey in there. But today I am feeling like the bitter flavor is what my palate is wanting, so I'm gonna go with that. All right, now is the fun part about this drink. We are gonna give her a shake. BRB. Now we're gonna get fancy, and we are going to strain our shake and drink. So I have this little diddly-do piece right here. What's it called?
Just a strainer.
A strainer. We got a strainer right here. And you know what also makes a good mocktail is a vibey cup. So we got our vibey cup, we got our strainer, and we are just gonna give her a pour. Wow. Oh my God, this looks so delicious. Look at that. Look at that foam at the top. Oh my word. That just looks absolutely amazing. Give her a sip. Wow. Yum. It is like so tart, sweet, It's like zesty. I can tell I'm gonna like wake up from this. This has some caffeine in there, so beware. All right, come here, give her a try, give her a try.
Okay, so we have an alcohol drinker's perspective for all of you not non-believers of a yummy mocktail.
You can,
Give a sip, you know, catch the nose on it.
what's your nose?
What's my nose gotta say? Yum.
Yum.
No, I like it. It really isn't too sweet at all, which kind of gives you that same bitter sense you might get from like a gin or a mezcal. Nicely balanced. Very tasty.
You do not have to be stuck drinking like cranberry juice if you are not a drinker. You can have fun, you can get out your shaker, you can get out all your tools, and you can get adaptogen blends to just really liven up your life.
Liven it up.
Without the hangover. That is like refreshing. Yum. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
Coming home sips.
Home sips, home cooks. Woo, woo.